like a king, and in ancient Egypt it wasn't acceptable for a lady to become a king. So Queen Hatshepsut, she did amazing propaganda for herself to convince the people she can become a king, and she succeeded. She did it. She became the king of Egypt for 22 years.
We're in Egypt buying jewelry.
Shoot, you making noise, boy.
Design here.
Huh?
We do have a many designs, black, white, black.
Muhammad Ali,
Muhammad Ali? The tanks and the burner and the rope.
Please do the landing position, which is opposite to the direction.
It's lit.
Video.
Marble Hotel.
What I reserved, this is one of the best, called Night Crystal. This is one of the best, not anyone.
Final destination. Crazy, bro. So guys, I'm actually at our new hotel in Luxembourg. It smells good.
Of course, you can put different type. You get the effect. If you put lavender, that will make you relax. If you put jasmine, this is good for stress.